Let's paint a super simple black cat. We're going to start by creating an oval for our head shape on I'm using a stone on whatever you're doodling this on. Then you're going to give him a body. Now you can make him long and skinny like this. You can easily create the body bulging out. Make sure the neck is skinny, but then create the body shape however you want. Even a fat cat, it looks better to have a thin neck. Then we're going to do our ears. Now I like to start on the outside edge of the head and go almost straight up and then create the point coming back down to make your triangles. I also add on little paws at the base of the cat. You're going to fill a lot of this in, but if he's skinny enough, he should have some little feet sticking out. Next, we're going to add on our tail. And again, this is an area you can go through the head. That's okay because we're going to paint the entire thing black. But have fun with this. You can have it curling, a big curl. You can have it come up the top of the rock, going off to the side. You can really adjust this cat a lot of different ways once you see how to lay it out, the basic shapes. And now I'm just painting this all in black. I'm just going to use my acrylic paint because I didn't want to wear down the tips of my paint pen because this rock is a little bit rough. Go ahead and use whatever you have, paint pens, markers. Just fill in the entire design. Like I said with the tail, it can go behind the head because we're just going to paint and fill the entire thing in. And I'm going to speed this up for you here real quick. Once you're done filling in your cat, set him to the side and let him dry completely. Next, we're going to add on our eyes. So we are going to, I'm using a paint pen here. You can use whatever you have. Do two very large, I'm doing green here, eyes. I'm going to show you here. I've done these in a lot of different colors, and it's fun to play around with that, like pink, purple, whatever you want to do. If you're using paint pens, take the time, let the layer dry in between and give these a second coat so that they are nice and bright on your rock. It's worth that extra bit of time. In the meantime, you can come in and add your whiskers on there, just a couple wispy strokes. And then when you're doing your pupils, I like to start with diamond shapes. And then when you're filling them in, you can kind of round them out just slightly, but you want them nice and big. After those are filled in, all you got to do is add a little nose on. You might see it when it's sealed, you might not, but seal your creation before you put it out into the world. I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy tutorial. Let me know if you'll be painting cats in the comments below. Bye-bye.